Step into the 2019 Ram 1500.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, a rear step bumper, turn signal indicator mirrors, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.